As you can see on the screen that we have already discussed on many questions in our previous class of measurement of angles. In the same way, today we are going to discuss on some word problem related to measurement of angles. Where we have the first question on our screen here. One angle of a right angle triangle is 70 degree. Find the remaining angle in grade. As we know all that in a right angle triangle, there is an angle of 90 degree. As we know all, there is an angle of 90 degree in the right angle triangle, and the rest remaining, the sum of the remaining two angle is also 90 degree. So one of the angle is already 90 degree and the sum of two remaining angle is 90 degree. So that here one of the angle is given to us, that is 70 degree. So what would be the remaining angle? That is 90 degree minus 70 degree. Or in this way, we will get the other angle, that is 20 degree. So in this way, we can find the remaining angle of the right angle triangle. While solving this, we can solve it like this. We need to look on our screen here. Let the unknown angle be x degree, because we know in the right angle there is the angle of 90 degree and another angle is given to us, that is 70 degree. So only one angle is not given to us, that is we let supposed x degree. So after adding these all angle, according to the sum of triangle, we have 180 degree. I think you have learned this already in your previous class. So by this way, x is equal to 160 degree because of adding 90 degree plus 70 degree. 90 plus 70 is equal to 160 degree. So x plus 160 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then after x is equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree, that means x is equal to 20 degree. That we have got the remaining angle that we need to find. So 90 degree is equal to 100 grade, because we have learned this in our formula that one right angle is equal to 100 grade. One right angle is equal to 100 grade. Or in this way, we can say that 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. In the same way, 70 degree, because one of the angle is given to us, that is of 70 degree. So 70 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 70 grade. After dividing and multiplying it by 10, we got 77.8 grade. Okay, that means 77.7777 grade. By rounding off it, we got 77.8 grade. Again, we have to find the angle in grade of 20 degree. So that 20 degree is equal to 10 by 9 again into 20. That is grade. So again, after dividing and multiplying by each other, as we got 22.8 grade. So altogether, hence 90 degree is equal to 100 grade, that is here. 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. 70 degree is equal to 77.8 grade here, and 20 degree is equal to 22.8 grade here. After adding these all, as we know, the sum of triangle is 180 degree, and as we have a formula, that is what, 180 degree should be equal to 200 grade. So look here, students. After adding 90, 70, and the third angle 20, as we got 180 degree, which is equal to the sum of 177.8 and 22. Sorry, there would be 22.2, not 8. Sorry, 22.2 here. 22.2 grade, not 8. 22.2 grade. So after adding these all, as we got 200 grades. So as we found that 100 degree is equal to 200 grade, it means our solving problem is the right. That's why in this way we can find the angles in grade. Okay, by applying 10 by 9, 9 grade is equal to 1 degree. Or in this way, we have other questions to find. So don't be confused, students. There is 22.2, 22.2. This is not a 20. This is 22.2 grade. By mistakenly, it happens, but this is 22.2. So don't be confused. Let's talk about the other question. We have the other question here. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4:3. Find all the angles in. First, we need to find this angle in degree. Then after, we need to find the angle in grade. And then after, we need to find the angle in radians. So that first we need to find this angle in these angles 3, 4, and 3 in degrees. So that we have here, let the angles be 3x, 4x degree and 3x degree, okay, respectively, as we have given the angle in ratio. That's why we let this angle with x to make a term. So while making them a term, we suppose 3x, 4x, and 3x respectively as the angle of a triangle, because a triangle has only 3 angles. So that then 3x plus 4x plus 3x. As we know, after adding the 3 angles of triangle, we got 180 degree because of the sum of triangle. So that the sum of 3 angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then 3x plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 10x after adding all the x. So 10x is equal to 180 degree. I think there isn't any confusion. After finding the value of x, we divide other side by 10. That is 180 divided by 10. So that 10 1 ja 10 and 10 18 ja 118. Okay, so 18 degree, x degree is equal to 18 degree is our answer. So that therefore x degree is equal to 18 degree. That's why we can find it easily, the angles in degree. So 3x is equal to 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. 4x is equal to 4 into 18, that is 72 degree. In the same way, 3x is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 3 degree. Now here we replace the value of x here. Okay, 18, 18, 18, 18. Okay, and we multiply by the coefficient of x, 3, 4, and 3 continuously. Then we will get the values. After adding these all, as we got 180 degree, it means our solving the question that we solved is perfect or right. So in this way, students, we can find the ratios of angle in degrees. In the same way, we solved the first one. Now we are going to find such degrees or such angles into grade. So for that, we have here $54 that we have find already. So now we only convert degree into grade. So 54 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 54 grade, because 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. So that in this way, we have here 54 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 54. After cancelling, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. That is 10 into 9 grade. So 10 into 6 grade. That is 10 6 are 60 grade. Then after 72 degree is equal to 10 by 9 into 72. Again, 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. So 10 into 9 is 8 is equal to 80 grade. Again, then after 54 degree, so that 10 by 9 into 54 grade, that is 9 6 ja 9 6 are 54. So that 10 into 6 is equal to 60 grade. Or in this way, students, we can find all the degree into grade by using 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. In this way, if there is given the questions to find the grade into degrees, on that time we use the formula that is 1 grade is equal to just opposite 9 by 10 degree. 9 by 10 degree. Or in this way, we can solve the problem if there is given to conversion of grade into degree. I hope you are understanding the question, or I hope you will solve the question related like this. Now, let's come to the third step of the same question. Again, we have here 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That we have learned already in our previous class, that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, where 1 grade is equal to what? 1 grade is equal to pi by 200 radian. Pi by 200 radian. On the conversion of grade into radian, but we have easy way to, because we have found the degrees, so that we use the easy method that we are going to find the degrees in radian from degrees. So that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. That's why 54 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 54 radian. 54 radian. So that after cancelling, we got 18 1 ja 18, that means 10, and 18 3 ja 54 3. And because of no any common factor, we multiply with them. So 3 pi by 10 radian is the answer of 54 degree. where 72 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 72 radian. Again, after multiplying them, so dividing them, 18 10 ja 180, 18 4 ja 72, 18 4 ja 72. Again, they have the common factor, that's why 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 10. So that after multiplying 2 into pi, 2 pi by 5 radian, which is our second answer in radian, where again 54 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 54 radian. After cancelling them, as we got 3 and 10, so 3 pi by 10 radian, again our third answer. So in this way, I hope you can find all the questions in this way. Whatever is given there, to find the degree into grade or grade into degree, we need to use the same formulas to find such angles. Or I hope you understood about the solution that we have solved, or you understood about the today's content that we have discussed today. Or in this way, you can solve the questions related with the question related like this, or related to the measurement of angles in this way. So thank you.